Good day everyone, I am Christine Claire Samson, taking Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management in National University, Manila. So now I am sharing some topics that I have learned for the discussion of our chapters 1 and 2 in Mathematics in the Modern World. Let's start with the definition of mathematics. We all know that mathematics teaches us to solve problems based on numerical calculations and finding the solutions. But it is not just like that. Because mathematics is a science that deals in shapes, logic, quantity, and arrangement. It is also a study of patterns, languages, process of thinking, arts, and problem solving. Math is always around us and always included in everything we do. Nature of mathematics. Mathematics is a study of pattern. It is visible regularities of form found in natural world. These patterns recur in different contexts and sometimes be modeled mathematically. We are better able to appreciate and understand living organisms and non-living objects. These are the types of patterns. The first one is logic pattern, which is all about classifying things. The second one is number pattern. The number pattern that establishes the relationship between all the numbers. It is basically number pattern is defined as the list of numbers that follow a certain pattern or a sequence. The third one is geometric pattern. It is motif or design that depicts abstracts, shapes like lines, polygons, and circles. Visual patterns are observed in nature and in arts. And last one is word pattern. Pattern can also be found in language, like the morphological rules or pluralizing nouns, as well as the metric rule. Fibonacci sequence. Leonardo Pisano Fibonacci is the Italian mathematician who actually invented the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence in which each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. Basically, the sequence commonly starts from 0 and 1. Although some authors start the sequence from 1 and 1 or sometimes from 1 and 2. The Fibonacci pattern is given as like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. The Fibonacci sequence is also known as Fibonacci series or basically Fibonacci numbers. Mathematics as a universal language. Because mathematics is always around us, math can act as a universal language. A phrase or formula has the same meaning, regardless of another language that accompanies it. In this way, math helps us to learn and communicate to others. Characteristics of mathematical language. These are being precise, being concise, and being powerful. Precision of mathematical language means that language is able to make very fine distinction about and between things, and conciseness is the ability to say things briefly. The last one is proposition. Proposition is a declarative sentence that can be classified as true or false, but not both. And these are the two types of propositions. For some additional question, how did you plan your task? I actually plan my task by brainstorming all my ideas and I answer all the questions and then I organize it. And lastly, I do recording. The challenge that I only encounter is the part when I edit this video because I only have one gadget, which is my phone, so it is hard for me to edit this video. And that's all. Again, I am Christine Claire Samson for Marketing 221.